Hey guys, and today in this video, I'm going to be I'm going to be announcing something that's completely insane to be true. And today in this video, I need to announce on that I used to do Instagram also, not just YouTube automation, and I am still doing it till now. But talking about all of it, you need to learn something that is, if you are someone who is not so much interested in YouTube automation or you don't have much time to be true, but then also you want to try something that's completely different, you can try something that's completely different to be true. And what it is you can actually do, the thing that you can basically do is Instagram, and you can actually run some IG pages, that is Instagram theme pages. And I used to do it and I still do it, and I'll be sharing with you that how you can actually use all these techniques, and by that you will be able to grow Instagram. And not just that, you will be able to monetize your IG theme pages. That's completely insane. That's completely a new approach that I'm going to be giving you. So many of you people might know it, some might not. So I just wrote down some of the ways that I'm going to be sharing with you. The things that I'm going to be sharing with you is actually how you can actually make great Instagram posts, how you can use the power of hashtags, how you can grow fast, how you can monetize, how you can use basically reels, how you can use those other forms of and other tools and strategies that you can use to build a great brand, how you can make a great impact onto your audience. And not just that, how you can actually take those followers into real sales, and that will be helping not just you but also the subscribers. And you will be making a great community which will be ultimately not just will be helping you in the terms of money, but also will be helping you, your followers onto getting some great knowledge, getting the things that they want. So we are going to be working on to that, and I feel that it's going to be so much amazing to be true, because I feel it is necessary. There are some people who are just amazing to be true, and they are just having not enough time. So what they can do, they can actually go on to this and they can actually learn this thing, and after that they will be able to make some great impact. So amazing, because we are going to be working on to different sectors, we're going to be working on different themes to be true, and I'm going to be sharing with you some real niches that I feel. For example, I used to work on to this motivation, some money, some, not just that, we used to work on to the dogs because I personally love dogs. I used to work also on animal niche and on singing, that means also some celebrities and other forms also. And the best thing of all is that you will be learning that how quickly you can actually grow your following, and after that you'll be able to monetize that page, because you can actually then grow that, and you're going to be making a good amount of money also, which is a byproduct. But let's not focus. But here is the thing, the single note of advice that I'm going to be giving you, the secret that I'm going to be sharing with you today in this video, is to choose a niche that is profitable, to choose a niche that you are actually happy to work with. That means it shouldn't burn you out. That's one of the things that I personally believe in. And if I don't myself feel like doing it, what's the way? I don't think it's worth it, right? So that's the take that I myself choose whenever I'm choosing a niche. And you can actually do it yourself. If you do it correctly, you will be having some great results that are waiting just for you. So that's how you can do, and that was a quick announcement that I wanted to make. And I have a long playlist that is just coming for you, and I know I have not been just so much active onto this, and let me just share some great deep insights, as I am kind of ready and prepared to make some great impact onto your life, so that you can actually learn from that. And after that, whenever you learn all these things, you will be able to make an impact on your niche, which will be ultimately helping your audience. You will be the person from whom they're going to be learning. And not just that, whenever you learn the things, I would say, then you can go on to diversification onto the topics that you find that are profitable but you're not interested, and then you can outsource or delegate the work to other people. And after that, Trust me on this, the process is amazing, and be sharing with you that how you can easily do some reels which will be giving you a good boost, or some strategies that I'm going to be sharing with your account, and that will be just amazing to be true. A great journey is waiting for you, so don't forget to subscribe, because it's going to be just be so amazing for you. You're going to be learning so many new things that's going to be totally be worth it. And I was just thinking that if you want to start a Instagram business or IG business, then what are the things you need to follow? I'm going to be sharing all these things. For example, let me just assume that you know nothing about it. I'll be sharing so that a little easy, in a very easy way, so that a little kid can also understand, so that a child can also make a IG business. And I'm going to be sharing with you some secrets that's going to be so much effective, and it's going to be so much epic, and that will be, you can even imagine that you'll be discovering so much onto that playlist. And I'm going to be making a whole new playlist to be true. Yeah, that's going to be a playlist that you can actually look up to, and after that it's going to be amazing. That was, and I feel that was worth it. So that was all for today. See you again on another video. Bye for now.